Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is down the hatch. What does this mean? Down the hatch is a fun and informal way to say drink it or eat it, usually just before someone swallows food or drink. It's like saying, here it goes, or let's eat before drinking. But it's for drinking and swallowing. It's not just for taking a bite. It's when you're swallowing something like down the hatch, if it's like yucky medicine or something like that. Okay. So here are some sentences. So before drinking a glass of water, for example, you could say, I'm so thirsty, down the hatch. Gulp, 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 gulp. At a party, someone hands you a shot. All right, everyone, cheers, down the hatch. So a shot would be like a little bit of alcohol. Trying to eat something gross but fast, like medicine. This medicine tastes terrible, down the hatch. Ugh, I know how that feels. So you'll hear this phrase a lot when people are having fun, joking around, or encouraging someone to drink or eat something quickly. So let me know if you guys have heard this phrase before, if you hear it in movies or anything like that. And please like and subscribe for more common phrases of the day. Bye, guys.